Good morning to one and all. Today we will discuss fifth problem in exercise 1.1. The problem I'll read now. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. So how we have to prove, we'll see it here. So n is any positive integer. As I said that integers will be minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Positive integers means I have to take from 1 to infinity. So n values I have to take 1, 2, 3, etc. What will get it by taking n is equal to 1, we'll see it. Now I am taking n is equal to 1. N is any positive integer, so I assumed n as 1. Means if I substitute in n plus 2 and n plus 4, if I substitute n value in n plus 2, I am getting 1 plus 2, that is 3. If I substitute n is equal to 1 in this one, 1 plus 4, that is 5. So n plus 2, n plus 4. For n is equal to 1, among in these three, only this is divisible by 3. Means 1 is not divisible by 3, 5 is not divisible by 3, but 3 is divisible by 3. For n is equal to 1, among these three, only 1 is divisible by 3. So let us, we take n is equals to 2. So for n is equal to 2, we will see that among in these three, only 1 should be divided by 3. That is n plus 2, n plus 4. So n means 2, n plus 2. In place of n, you have to write 2, 2 plus 2, that is 4. And here, in place of n, 2, plus 4 is there, plus 4 I written as it is, 2 plus 4 is 6. So in n plus 2, n plus 4, values you got as 2, 4, 6. So 2 is not divisible by 3, 4 is also not divisible by 3, but 6 is divisible by 3. Like for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. if you go on substituting the values in n plus 2, n plus 4, in these three only 1 will be divisible. But it is not the required proof. How we have to prove it, we will see it. This entire for understanding purpose, just now I said. Now real proof. The solution is according to problem, n is any positive integer that is dividend, and what is divisor? Divisible by 3, he said. So divisor is what? 3. Now you have to apply Euclid's division lemma. That Euclid's division lemma is saying that 0 less than or equals to r less than b. B means here divisor. So you can take reminders from 0 to less than 3. Means possible reminders. What you are getting possible reminders? 0, 1, 2. So these three are possible reminders. Where you have to apply what is Euclid's division lemma means A is equal to BQ plus R is Euclid's division lemma. A is dividend. So in place of dividend you have to write n is equals to BQ. What is B here? Divisor. Divisor is what here? 3. 3Q plus R means you can take 1 time 0, 1 time 1, 1 time 2. Now case 1. Case 1, what you are doing is n is equal to 3q and you are substituting in place of r 0 for r is equals to 0. Means any number if you divide with 3, all the numbers where you will get remainder as 0, that all numbers we are writing in this form. So you got n is equal to what here? 3q. So next in place of n, what I have to write is 3q. I should write it where in n plus 2 and n plus 4. Now n plus 2 becomes 3q plus 2, n plus 4 becomes 3q plus 4. Here plus 2 means remainder is 2. So remainder is less than the divisor. It can be happened. But if you see here, the center if you assume as A is equal to BQ plus R. In place of R you are getting a number greater than the divisor. It is wrong. So what you have to do is you should write 3q plus 4 you made as 3 plus 1. In these two I am taking 3 as common. Q plus 1 plus 1. So again n plus 4 is equal to how much you got? 3m plus 1. So it is also in remainder you did not get 0. Some remainder is there means n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. N plus 2 also you did not get remainder as 0. N plus 2 is also not divisible by 3. But n is equal to 3q. Means here remainder is 0 you got it. So among n plus 2, n plus 4, n is divisible by 3. So you have to write that n is divisible by 3. N plus 2 and n plus 4 are not divisible by 3. It is first case. So by pausing the video, just copy the center, and if you have any doubts, just ask me. I hope that you understood about case 1. Now we will go for case 2. What is case 2 means? In case 1 you got remainder as 0. Now case 2 what you have to write is case 2 let r remainder is equals to 1. Where you have to substitute remainder is equal to 1? In a is equals to bq plus r. What is a? A is dividend. Dividend, what you assumed as dividend means dividend is n. So n is equal to divisor is 3q plus remainder is 1. What you got? N is equal to 3q plus 1. So this n value we should substitute in n plus 2 and n plus 4. So as you are seeing n is equal to 3q plus 1, in place of remainder you got 1 which is less than the divisor. So remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore n is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Now go for n plus 2. N plus 2. What you have to write in place of n? What is n here? N is equal to 3q plus 1. So in this place of n, 3q plus 1 write down. After n what you are seeing here? Plus 2. So plus 2 you written. Now like terms. 1 is there, 2 is there. Both are numbers only. 1 plus 2 will become 3. 3q plus 3. You can take 3 as common. That is 3 into q plus 1. 3 into some number is there. So n plus 2 is divisible by 3. N plus 2 is divisible by 3. Now we should go for third one. What is that? N plus 4. Means among these three, only one should be divisible by 3. Now check for n plus 4. In place of n, what you have to write? 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1 plus 4. So how much you are getting? 3q plus 5. Now it is wrong. Why it is wrong means remainder how much you are getting? 5. But what is divisor? 3. Any number, if you divide with 3, remainders must be less than 3. But here you got a greater than 3. What you have to write? 3q. 5 I should write as 3 plus 2. In this 2 I took a 3 as common. I got 2. And what is there in the brackets I assumed as 3m plus 2. If I see n plus 4 is equal to 3m plus 2. In place of remainder I got 2. Therefore n plus 4 is also not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So among n plus 2, n plus 4, only n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Remaining 2 are not divisible by 3. It is case 2. Now copy it and we will go for case 3. So what is case 3 means? Case 3 is nothing but reminders 0, 1 I took it. Now I have to take a let reminder r is equals to 2. Where I have to substitute a is equal to bq plus r. What is a? N. What is b? 3. What is r? 2. So n is equal to 3q plus 2. So n is equal to 3q plus 2 is in the form of a is equal to bq plus r. Remainder we got 2. If remainder is 2, this is not divisible by 3. So n is not divisible by. So n is equal to 3q plus 2, n is not divisible by 3. Now this n value you should substitute in n plus 2 and n plus 4. n plus 2. In place of n you have to write 3q plus 2, 3q plus 2 plus 2. So here like numbers, like terms are 2 plus 2, that is 4. As I said that divisor is 3, remainder is 4. So remainder 4 you should not get it. So 4 should be split into 3 plus 1. So in these two 3 you can take as common. 3 into q plus 1 plus 1. That is 3m plus 1. As you are seeing n plus 2 is equal to 3m plus 1. In place of remainder what you have here? 1. So in remainder 0 you did not get. So n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Here n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Now again n value you should substitute in n plus 4. So n plus 4 is equal to what you have. N means n is equal to 3q plus 2. Again plus 4. Like terms 2 plus 4 is 6. You can take 3 as common from these two terms. Q plus 2. Q plus 2 you can assume as m. So n plus 4 is equal to what you have? 3m. Means n plus 4 in place of remainder you did not have anything, any number. So 0. Remainder is 0 means this number will be divisible by 3. So n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So like this, in n plus 2, n plus 4, in these 3, only 1 will be divisible by 3. Remaining 2 it won't be. So we proved it. So tomorrow we'll see next session.